Make a funny video now. Let's talk about serious stuff. Food. That's what we do the best here at Cibo, okay? So today we're gonna do a recipe, one of our number one sell pasta in a restaurant, and it's the Orecchiette alla Barese. So it's orecchiette, as you can see, I have the ingredients here. We got orecchiette pasta, garlic, sausage, broccolini, onions, and red pepper flakes. Alright? So let's start. Okay? Got a saute pan. Of course, we pre-cook the pasta because it will make it easier. We put the garlic in the saute pan, a little olive oil, extra virgin olive oil actually, no olive oil. We cook all with extra virgin. Alright? Then we put the onions. Let it cook. Let it cook until the garlic gets light brown, right? And the onions is gonna soften it up a little bit. All right. Then we put some broccolini, the sausage, and we put it all together. Pepper. I wouldn't be very gentle with the salt because the sausage is already salty a little bit, so I wouldn't go too crazy with the salt. At this point, we're gonna deglaze with white wine. I'm gonna put a little water just to make sure that everything cooks a little bit more. At this point, we're going to start cooking our pasta. With my tasting spoon, I taste the flavor. Still need a touch of salt. Okay, now that the pasta, as I told you, is already pre-cooked, but the pasta, you can make the sauce in advance. Alright, at this point we toss it. A touch of grated Parmesan cheese. So the pasta should never be too liquid or too dry. You know, it should be the right consistency. If it's too dry or if it's too liquid, means if it's too dry, we need to add some liquid. If it's too liquid, we need to reduce it and let it cook more until it gets to the right consistency. So now we're getting the plate ready to serve it. The liquid is evaporating. It's getting drier and drier. you.